Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply camera shake effect using Filmora editor. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have this video added to media in Filmora. I'm going to drag and drop this video to video track 1, play the video and find the point in time where we want to add camera shake. So I think it would be cool to add camera shake at the point where the guy makes the dunk, and specifically where he touches the rim. So the effect is going to look like as if he made the dunk and then the whole video starts shaking. Okay, so I navigate here to this point in time, place the playhead right here. I'm going to click here on these scissors to make the cut, or as you can see there is a shortcut Ctrl+B. I split the clip here, and then I'm going to move the playhead just a few keyframes out and make another cut. So now we have isolated this section. I'm gonna zoom in for visibility. All right. And now I want to apply camera shake right above this video. And to do that, I'm gonna navigate to Effects. Under Effects, find Shake, expand it. And here you'll notice you have a wide range of options for camera shake effects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with this extreme one. I'm just going to left click, drag and drop it right above this part of the video. Okay, now if I replay the video here, what you'll notice is that we have applied the effect across the rest of the video. So let me zoom out. Okay, this camera shake effect is a little too long in duration. So what I want to do is just position it right above this section that I just separated. I'm going to navigate, hover over this camera shake effect on the right hand side, left click and adjust the duration. So I'm just going to match that section here that I just separated. Move the playhead again, zoom in. But this is not going to be enough, okay? As you can see, there is not much camera shake going on. So I have to select this effect, navigate here at the top right hand side and adjust position X and Y and frequency. So first of all, I'm going to increase the frequency from 200 to 400 and then adjust position X from the default 0.2 to 0.06 and position Y also 0.06. And I'm going to remove this motion blur. I don't want to blur out the video. Okay, now if I replay, there's some decent camera shake going on right there, right? And that would be it, guys. Please feel free to play around with these settings, apply different kinds of camera shake effects, and find what suits best for your project. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.